Hello and welcome to a new episode of Janik Asks. Today we are talking about the versatility of Wilo, especially in the field of the commercial water supply, as well as a highly interesting innovation for saving energy. What this is about and what I mean you will see in the next few minutes. My guest today is Roman Zielinski. Welcome, Roman, and please introduce yourself and tell us something about you.
Hi, Janik. Thanks for having me. My name is Roman. I am product manager at Wilo for pressure boosting systems. And today I would like to introduce you and, of course, our viewers to the Wilo-SiBoost product family.
Okay, but the Wilo-SiBoost product family is already on the market. So why do we need this video today?
That's a good question. So in 2020, we have implemented a pretty nice innovation, which is available for all products of the SiBoost family with electronic pumps. And this innovation is called PV-Synchronous. This is a new control mode, which is granting substantial energy savings and is designed especially for commercial building service application.
Okay, and what does it mean, PV-Synchronous?
So the first part, PV, this means variable pressure operation. And the second part, synchronous, means we are operating several pumps at the same speed.
So constant pressure operations are a common part for pressure boosting systems.
Yes.
But what distinguishes variable pressure operations?
So when we are designing or selecting a pressure boosting system, we have to consider, among other things, pipe friction losses.
Okay.
Pipe friction losses are highest for maximum flow. This means that in partial load operation, pipe friction losses are reduced. Talking about constant pressure operation, we are creating excess pressure in this partial load range and therefore wasting energy. When we are talking about a variable pressure operation, this means we are reducing this excess pressure, thus saving energy and therefore costs, and making our system future-proof.
Okay, and how will you describe a parallel operation?
So until now, within our pressure boosting system, each individual pump with rising water demand has been driven to 100% speed. So first one starting on 100% speed, second one starting afterwards, also depending on the actual water demand. And with our parallel, with synchronous operation, it means that all active pumps are always driven at the same speed level.
Okay, and what benefits do we have with this function?
Yes, so our calculations and tests have proven that using the synchronous operation mode is even more energy efficient. In addition, we are also reducing the noise level and vibrations, and the latter also can lead to an increased service life. So to sum it up and also to emphasize, by using PV-Synchronous control mode, we are reducing the overall energy consumption by about 16%, considering a standard load profile. In specific applications, this value can even be higher.
Okay, that sounds very interesting and very good. But Roman, are there also other new features or functions?
Yes, so for the pressure variable operation, we are in need of an additional pressure sensor.
Okay.
You can find it here on the suction side. And this is also used to detect low water, so we don't need any more any accessories for low water detection. It can also be parameterized for both direct and indirect connection to the water mains. Furthermore, Modbus RTU is now also a standard, and it can be used for the integration into building management systems.
Roman, that all sounds very interesting, but also a little bit difficult. Let us talk about the setup of this system. How will this work?
Yes, so all settings are well documented and described within the operating manual. But we wanted to facilitate the whole setup process, so we have published a new tool, the Setup Optimizer SiBoost.
Okay.
It is available within the Wilo app, the Wilo Assistant, and on our homepage. And this tool calculates the relation between the set point at zero flow and the basic set point. The result is then to be entered into the system and is granting our variable pressure operation.
Yes, Roman, as we see here, we have some models of our SiBoost product family. So can you please explain the main characterizers of the system?
Yes, so in general, our SiBoost systems are characterized by a very robust execution, by compact dimensions, and a pretty versatile application. All our systems are suitable also for drinking water application.
Okay.
The overall features can also be extended on customer request. So we are talking about range extension towards PN25 or also the use of different field bus protocols.
Okay.
And our products are basically used in hotels, in hospitals, in large apartment and office complexes, in water management, and also in the industry.
Yeah, there you have a special reference of the system, right?
Yes, this is a very special reference. So the SiBoost family is now also represented on the Antarctic continent within a research facility. The SiBoost Smart Helix VE is supplying the local crew with drinking water.
And the reference of the Antarctic, you mentioned the Helix VE. It's the type in the middle. What characterizes this one?
As the reference shows, this is our all-rounder. So it is used in a wide variety of applications. It is our most commonly used version, and it offers a great range coverage.
Okay, we go on to the big one on my side. It's the Helix XL. What about this one?
This is our premium offer. So here we are considering motor efficiency class IE5. So we can grant here additional energy savings.
Okay, and we go on to the last one on your side. It's the MVISE. What characterizes this pump?
So here we are talking about wet runner technology.
Oh, okay.
So low noise operation. So whenever we have an application which is very noise sensitive, for instance in hotels, this is the perfect problem solver.
Wow, that sounds very interesting. But Roman, if you need to break down everything, what are the 3 main customer benefits of our SiBoost product family with PV-Synchronous?
Yes, so PV-Synchronous offers first reduced energy consumption, second reduced noise level and vibration, and third the integrated low water detection.
Okay, Roman, we are next to the finish line, but before we step over it, I will summarize all our facts of the talk. So with the latest development, our SiBoost product family is more efficient, easier to use, and of course easier to integrate in the building management system. Depending on the requirements, we have a high performance all-rounder with the Helix VE here in the middle, the Helix XL for the highest efficiency requirements, and last but not least, the MVISE on your side for our whisper quiet operation. Is this right?
That was perfect.
Yes, Roman, then thank you very much for joining in and also for your explanation of our Wilo-SiBoost product family.
You're welcome, and thanks again for having me.
And now we arrive at the finish line, and I will thank all of you for joining in. Also, we will be happy if you subscribe our YouTube channel for free. And now, thank you very much again for joining in, and see you next time with a new episode of Janik Asks.